Want to see a very interesting thing? Let's take a look at it. Okay, let's assume that A is equal to B. So I'm going to multiply both the sides by A. So I get A square is equal to AB. Now, subtracting B square from both the sides, I get A square minus B square is equal to AB minus B square. So A square minus B square can be written as A plus B into A minus B. On the right hand side, if I take out the B common, I can write it as A minus B. Now A minus B is common on both the sides. So if I cancel it out, I get A plus B is equal to B. And as value of A is the same as B, I can rewrite this as B plus B is B, or 2B is equal to B, or 2 is equal to 1. Did I just disprove a very fundamental basic fact in math, or did I create a mistake in one of the steps? If you have spotted the error, do mention in the comments below.